friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Bron from Poppy Playtime as a smiling critter. So we're gonna get started with the face on a diagonal, and for the nose, we're going to start by curving this line around and then down on the right. In the center for the nostrils now, coming over towards the left, we're gonna curve this line down. And then as you move over on a diagonal, we're gonna replicate that, curving that line over on the right. Let's draw on the cheeks now. So on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line around, bringing that in towards the middle for the bottom of the face. Moving over now on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around, bringing this all the way over and in, connecting the bottom of the face together. Let's draw in our eyes now. So on the right-hand side, we're going to arch this line up and then down on the side. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve the bottom of the eye up. And then from that point, we're just going to arch this line around and then back down in the middle. Now let's draw in the oval in the center for the highlight. So we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then moving down on the right, we're going to replicate that again. Now for the top of the head in the center, we're going to curve this line down toward the side. And then from that point again, we're going to curve this line over and then down on the left. For the eyebrows now, we're going to curve this line in and do the same thing on the right. For the mouth now, on the left-hand side in the corner here, we're going to curve this line over. And then we'll do the same thing on the right. On the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line in. And then we'll do the same thing on the left, bringing that line further out. On the top now, we're going to draw in an arch line from left to right, curving that up in the center. And then on the bottom, we're just going to draw in another arch line, curving that down in the middle, bringing that up on the right. Connecting the rest of the cheek on this line, we're just going to curve this in towards the top of the mouth. And now on the bottom here in the middle for the tongue, we're going to arch this line across. And then coming down over on the right, let's replicate that. For the neck now, coming over on the left, we're going to curve this line down. For the arm, we're going to arch this line around and then down. And then for the top, we're just going to curve this line over. Coming over towards the inside from this corner now, we're going to curve this line around and then out. And then for the bottom of the arm, we're just going to curve this line up and over on the right. Now for the top of the hand on the arm, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then down. And then now we're going to connect this together. So on the bottom from the corner, we're just going to curve this line around and then in towards the bottom. Now for the finger, we're just going to curve this line down. Let's draw the rest of the neck now. So coming over on the top, we're going to curve this line further down, bringing this all the way down towards the bottom. For the left arm now, on the inside, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then from this line, we're going to continue to extend this out towards the middle. Now on the left, from the corner, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then down, ending that so it's at roughly the same height. Now on the bottom, let's close this off with a curved line from left to right. In the middle, we're going to draw in an arch line, curving that down. We'll do the same thing over on the right, curving this line down. And then again, we'll replicate this over on the left. Let's draw on the torso now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then up towards our right arm. And then on the inside from the neck, we're going to curve this line around and then down. Now for the left leg, we're going to curve this line over. And then underneath, we're going to curve this line across. On the top now, we're going to connect this together, arching this line down. We're going to arch this line over. In the middle, curving this line back down. And then again, one more time underneath. Let's draw on the right leg now. So coming back under, we're going to curve this line in. Stepping across, we're going to curve this line down towards the bottom. And then on our inside line, we're going to curve this line over. In the center, we're going to draw in a small arch line. To the right of this, we're going to curve this line over. And then to the left, we're gonna arch this line across as well. Let's come in behind and draw on the tail now. So on the inside, we're gonna curve this line over towards the neck. Coming behind the neck, we're going to continue to curve this line around and then down on the left. Now from this corner, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then in towards the top. And then we're gonna move in behind, arching this line down. And then now from here underneath the chin, we're gonna curve this line in. And that is it. That's how you draw Bron the dinosaur as a smiling critter from Poppy Playtime. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all in the next one.